Welcome. You are here because you seek something real. Many men today find themselves adrift. They struggle to form genuine connections with women. Modern dating advice often offers superficial solutions. It suggests games, pickup lines, and feigned confidence. This is not the path to a fulfilling relationship. It is a path paved with pretense. We must look deeper. We must seek a more substantial foundation for connection. This guide offers a different approach. It is an approach grounded in timeless wisdom. We will draw from Stoic philosophy and insights from psychology. The aim is not to teach you tricks. The aim is to help you become a man of substance. A man who naturally attracts, not through deceit, but through character. This is about fundamental change. It is about building yourself up from the inside. This is a serious undertaking for serious men. The purpose here is to provide a genuine, practical path. So, let us begin. Attraction begins within. It is not primarily about your looks, your money, or your status. These things are superficial. True, lasting attraction is built on a bedrock of inner strength. This means cultivating genuine self-worth. Self-worth is not arrogance. Arrogance is a mask for insecurity. True self-worth is a quiet confidence. It is a knowing of your own value. It radiates from you. It is felt by those around you. This is what you must build. How do you build this inner fortress? Start with your routine. A disciplined life creates order. Establish a daily structure. Wake up at a consistent time. Engage in productive work. Exercise your body. Read books that challenge your mind. These habits build self-respect. They demonstrate to yourself that you are capable, that you are in control of your own life. This is profoundly attractive. It signals competence. Focus on your own journey. This is deeply compelling. Communication is the bridge between two souls, yet so many misunderstand its purpose. It is not a performance. It is not about delivering clever lines. It is not about trying to impress. Authentic communication is about connection. It is about understanding and being understood. The first step is active listening. Truly listen when a woman speaks. Hear her words, understand her meaning, pay attention to her nonverbal cues. Your body language speaks volumes before you utter a single word. Ensure it speaks of openness and engagement. Stand tall with your shoulders back. This is not just about looking confident, it is about feeling confident. Make appropriate eye contact. This shows you are present and interested. Avoid crossing your arms or fidgeting excessively. Your physical presence should invite connection, not repel it. Remember, the goal of communication is connection, not conquest. This is a skill worth mastering. The places you frequent will largely determine the kind of people you meet. If you are searching for a genuine connection, you must be strategic. Noisy, chaotic bars or superficial dating apps may offer fleeting encounters. However, they are often not conducive to forming deep bonds. Instead, seek out environments where shared interests and values can naturally emerge. Places where people gather with purpose, beyond mere social posturing. Consider skill-based classes, perhaps a cooking class, a dance workshop, or a language course. These environments bring people together who are interested in learning and growth. Volunteer events are another excellent option. Working alongside others for a common cause fosters camaraderie. It reveals character in a way that casual socializing often does not. Bookstores, libraries, or discussion groups also attract thoughtful individuals. These are places where substance is valued. When you enter these spaces, approach with presence and authenticity. Your primary goal should not be to hunt for a partner. This creates an uncomfortable, predatory dynamic. Instead, be genuinely interested in the activity itself. Participate fully. Engage with others naturally as a fellow participant. Be there to grow, and you may find someone growing alongside you. The first impression you make is undeniably significant. It is the gateway to any further interaction. It sets the initial tone. Your aim should be to project calm confidence. This is not the boisterous, attention-seeking behavior of the insecure. It is a grounded presence. It is a quiet assurance that emanates from your inner work. The self-respect you have cultivated will be palpable. She will sense it. This is far more compelling than any rehearsed line. A genuine smile is a powerful tool. It communicates warmth, openness, and friendliness. It costs nothing, yet its impact can be immense. Combine this with thoughtful questions. Questions that show you are genuinely interested in her as an individual, not just as a potential romantic partner. Listen attentively to her responses. This demonstrates respect and engagement. Initially, it is often wise to listen more than you speak. Show that you value her perspective. Avoid generic pickup lines. Instead, comment on the shared environment or activity. Above all, be polite. Aim to leave her feeling better for having met you. Moving beyond a first impression requires building a genuine connection. This is where emotional intelligence becomes paramount. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand your own emotions. It is also the ability to recognize and influence the emotions of others. This is not manipulation, it is empathy. It is the capacity to connect with another person on an emotional level. This vital skill must be consciously cultivated. It takes practice and self-reflection. Vulnerability, when expressed appropriately, is a cornerstone of deep connection. It is not weakness, it is a sign of courageous honesty. Sharing your genuine thoughts, feelings, and experiences invites her to do the same. This creates a cycle of trust and openness. However, this must be done with measure. Do not overwhelm her with your deepest secrets on the first few dates. Gradually increase vulnerability as trust builds. It is a delicate balance. Ask thoughtful follow-up questions. When she shares something, do not just nod and move on. Delve deeper. Ask questions that show you are truly listening and want to understand her more fully. Explore her values, her dreams, her fears, and her perspectives on the world. Make her feel genuinely heard and understood. This creates a sense of emotional safety. Rejection is an unavoidable part of the human experience. It is particularly prevalent in the realm of dating and relationships. You will face it. The key is not to avoid rejection. The key is how you respond to it. Do not take it personally. This is difficult, but essential. More often than not, rejection is not a definitive statement about your worth as a person. It is simply an indication of a mismatch. Or perhaps the timing is not right. You must learn to reframe rejection. Instead of seeing it as a failure, view it as feedback. It is information. Perhaps your approach needs some refinement. Perhaps your communication could be clearer. Or very often, rejection is simply redirection. It is guiding you away from a connection that was not meant for you. It is pointing you towards something or someone better suited to your path. This perspective transforms a negative event into a learning opportunity. The great Stoic emperor Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This is a powerful concept. Rejection, an apparent obstacle, can actually propel you forward. It can teach you resilience, it can strengthen your character, it can clarify what you truly want. Each instance of rejection, if handled correctly, makes you more robust. It signals emotional stability. We have journeyed through significant territory. The core message is this: genuine attraction is not a product of tricks or superficial tactics. It arises from deep within. It is a reflection of who you are becoming as a man. Your character, your integrity, and your inner strength are the true magnets. This is a fundamental truth that modern dating often overlooks. It is a truth you must embrace if you seek a meaningful connection. Therefore, your primary focus must be on consistent self-improvement. Cultivate your inner world. Master the art of authentic communication. Be discerning about where you choose to meet potential partners. Strive to make thoughtful, respectful first impressions. And when you encounter setbacks, such as rejection, handle them with stoic resolve. These are the pillars upon which you will build not only successful relationships, but a successful life. They are interconnected. Understand that this is not a quick fix. There are no magic bullets. This is a commitment to a lifelong journey of growth and refinement. Through this consistent effort, you will gradually transform into the kind of man who naturally attracts and sustains a healthy relationship. This transformation is the real prize. This is a worthy pursuit. This guide has offered you a map, a set of principles, but a map is useless unless you embark on the journey. Knowledge, unapplied, is sterile. The ancient proverb holds true. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You must now take that step. Contemplate what you have read. Identify one or two principles you can begin to implement immediately. Action is the bridge between aspiration and reality. What was your most significant takeaway from this discussion? Pause and reflect on this question. Perhaps it was the emphasis on inner strength, or the approach to communication, or the stoic handling of rejection. Share your primary insight in the comments section below. Articulating your understanding helps to solidify it. Furthermore, your thoughts and experiences can provide valuable perspectives for other men on this same path. We learn together. If the ideas presented here resonate with you, consider subscribing. There is always more to explore on the path to becoming a grounded, high-value man. We will delve deeper into related topics that concern personal responsibility, purpose, and the cultivation of a meaningful life. The journey of self-improvement is ongoing. It is a continuous ascent. The responsibility is yours.